Look at that. 2:03 in the morning.
We didn't oversleep.
We did not oversleep, but now we need to get ready, and we're gonna get out. Our goal is to get out the door by 2:40, 2:45, because we gotta put our stuff in the car and walk over. But we're gonna go on this balcony. How does it feel? What's the temp? Is it good running? Oh, I'm wearing shorts today. That's not bad. The castle.
The Christmas lights aren't on anymore.
Let's get ready to run, Sarah. So we're basically done getting ready. We both never showered from going to the pool yesterday, so didn't want to start a marathon run with Chloe and Oliver.
We also thought that like having the need to get up and take a shower would make us wake up on our first alarm.
And listen to what song came on.
It's literally what we've had at the end of every single video.
If that isn't a magical sign, I don't know what is. I'm already getting emotional. And I gotta go run 26 miles.
Do you like my Snow White Disney belt?
Yes, I do.
First monorail of the day. So first we get to go to the Ticket and Transportation Center.
And transfer monorails.
We have to transfer to a different monorail to go to EPCOT.
Yes.
Here we are. Second monorail.
Alright, so we're here. We woke up at this time yesterday. So
we're good.
Good day.
We are going to go to the ACS tent and chit chat with the girls there. And then
I feel good. I'm getting excited.
Yeah.
Because we came into the monorail, we actually saw the finish line with the Mickey medal on and everything.
Luck.
So I can like envision that the whole time. And we're seeing all 4 parks today, which is awesome. And
there's a lot
I feel like
to
I
look
did
forward to.
good job eating and drinking and hydrating, and
The swimming definitely helped.
swimming helped. Went to bed early.
Just feel good.
Final
day, we got Mickey and Minnie and Goofy and Dopey. This is where I leave you.
12 months. Coming up to right now. Well, the crazy thing is it's 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna go walk the like half mile to the start line to my corral, and the race doesn't technically start for an hour and a half, but I won't even cross the start line for another 2 hours.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too. Thank you guys. All right, corrals have opened for the Run Disney Marathon. Last run of my Dopey challenge. I left Sarah back at gear check. I was actually at the corrals opening. Like that's why there's so many people walking right now, because the corrals just opened. So still got 2 hours before the race start, before I'll cross the start line, an hour and a half before the actual race starts. Time to go corral up and get my last bit of water, maybe go to a porta potty one more time. Just don't want everyone to stop and do that during the run, but you know I'm going to. It's 26 miles. It's gonna be hopefully about 5-ish hours of running. But just to minimize that. And I got my group packets. My phone is off to keep all the battery, to try to keep as much of that battery during the run so I can listen to music and keep a good headspace during it. But I think it's gonna die at some point, so I'm mentally prepared for that. I'm excited. I feel good. I feel surprisingly like I was mentally preparing myself to not feel this good physically this morning with how exhausted the weekend is and how sore my muscles would be or anything, but I feel good. I did a good prep yesterday. It was my biggest concern yesterday was icing and hydrating and refueling, so I'm pumped.
All right, well, welcome to the 2019 Walt Disney World Marathon presented by Cigna.
Alrighty, so today they are not letting us be right by the starting line. I want to walk to the monorail and get to Magic Kingdom in time. So because I can't be right at the start anyways, we're kind of on this first stretch of road. I want to be able to get back the same way I walked here to get on the monorail. This was a pretty hefty hike. I don't know if this was the same yesterday because I wasn't at the starting line. But it's a very different energy because for the 5 and the 10K we were like right at the starting line. They'll be running on the opposite road over here because this is a service road right in front of us.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Just look at all the athletes here today. And they're real inspiring. Are we ready to get them
Yes,
started?
sir, Mickey. We are ready to start our wheelchair competitors. Let's do it on a count of 3. Mickey, if you will lead us.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
We'll see you. How many people have gotten 4 hours of sleep or more?
Alrighty. First runners.
There goes my first marathon and the last bit of Dopey.
Peter started the marathon. Alrighty, Peter.
I'm starting my first marathon.
You can do anything good. It is so nice that they have that big screen over there where spectators can sit and watch. If you couldn't get up close or if you wanted to just sit back and watch, that you could see everything that was going on at the starting line at that little spectator viewing spot.
Mile 1, social Mickey. The turn towards Magic Kingdom entrance. Check it out. First character of the marathon, Captain Hook. Oh man, Darwin Duck. Check that out. And I might as well point it out right here is the Rapunzel gang at the mile 2 marker. When I pass this mile marker, I'm exactly halfway done with the Dopey challenge.
Monorail stops completely.
Back at the Magic Kingdom turnstile, off into the parking lot before we make our stop at our first park. I think it's the perfect time to announce. I think it's a 4 parks one day kind of day. I think I'm up for it. Gamora, EPCOT misses you.
The runners coming over there through Main Street and throughout the park. So let's find a spot. The energy here is insane. Look at all the runners and the sun is rising.
All right, back at Magic Kingdom. Woo! Look at this. Amazing. Woo! Look at that beautiful castle. Oh, that's a morale booster for sure. Oh my God. Oh, Ruffian is out. We got Cindy and Fairy Godmother. It's beautiful.
Look who joined me! It was such good timing. I missed Peter on Main Street. I was tracking him and he must have run straight past me, so luckily we caught him at the castle and then they showed up. It's perfect, perfect.
Running a little slower right now, but with intention, because that beautiful sky means the sun's coming. And it's already about 10 degrees hotter.
You know,
That combines the
just a
wonders
casual
of
monorail.
with the modern comforts of home.
The sun is up. We passed Grand Floridian, and there's Mickey and Minnie in the most adorable outfits. All right, going into uncharted territories. Yesterday we went that way to go back to EPCOT, but today we go that way to head to Animal Kingdom. Are you kidding me? Throwback rides right here. That is incredible. Look at you guys, snow. 20,000 leagues. I don't know what that's from. Mr. Toads. Oh.
Alrighty, so I made it to the TTC and the bus to Animal Kingdom. Okay, yes, looks like this is special for the marathon.
Here we go, mile 12. Time to energize up.
Disney's Animal Kingdom will be opening today at 9 o'clock.
Here we go, Animal Kingdom through backstage. I think Sarah's here waiting for me. Yes, they have animals out. Look at that. Goat, eagle. And now we are in Animal Kingdom. Woo! Look at that. Everest and the sun rising.
Here's Animal Kingdom. I am out by the park entrance. There's a lot of people here and I can't wait to see Peter. He just crossed the half marathon point. And so like this is the home stretch. Like he just has to go home. Peter! You doing
We got some grave diggers right before we get on Osceola Parkway. Doing my research on this run. I've heard ESPN's the mentally hardest, but looking at the map, for some reason I felt like these 2.5 miles were gonna mentally be the hardest, but I'm in a good headspace going into the straight east shot.
This is crazy. We are driving right past the runners.
Alright, ESPN Model of Sports. Let's see what you got for me. Definitely slowed down, but I'm okay with it. My average is still just under 11. The last 2 miles were 13s. I'm okay with that. My knees are starting to cramp up. My left ankle hurts, but I just took my last goo. Jenna told me that if you drink the Powerade and it's salty, not to drink it, but if it tastes like water, drink a lot of it. That just happened to me. The first couple of Powerades I didn't drink, but I just tried the Powerade just now and it was just pure water like, so I think I had like 2 cups and a water. They had sponges, soaked sponges, which felt awesome. And I had my last goo. I did a goo at 6, 12, and 18. Alright, there's ESPN inside again. There's the other runners coming in. I've been game timing to keep it easy for Osceola, ESPN, and Osceola again. That's the last time, once I finish this and make that turn into studios, it's the last time I'll see the other runners. Like, we don't cross paths. You don't loop anymore. I go into studios, into Crescent Lake, into EPCOT.
Alrighty, so I took a quick detour into EPCOT. One of Peter's absolute favorite snacks is the mini cookies. Little congratulations. Before we go home and actually eat and rest and such. But I'm headed to the finish line now.
Here's the turn. And when I get off this street and step into Hollywood Studios, which I can see the back of Galaxy's Edge, I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna finish in good form for all the guests, all the family and friends supporting everybody in the parks and resorts. Now's the big push. We're going into studios. Hollywood Boulevard. Woo!
I'm so happy this is nice and full. Peter said that it was really great to have this last push, but he does want me to be at the actual finish line. So I'm gonna stake out a spot now, so hopefully I can be right on the edge when he crosses.
Now this is basically home turf for me. 40K sign, and with this gateway completes one challenge of the day, and that would be the 4 Parks 1 day challenge, because I will be in EPCOT in World Showcase. Woo! Mile 25 marker with Remy, heading into France.
Look who joined me! Mickey! Ah! 10 minutes!
There it is, Spaceship Earth. Just gotta run past it and go get my medals and meet my wife. There it is, mile 26, the Incredibles. We just got 0.2 more to go. Here we go.
There he is!
Can I have one of those, please?
There you go, Taylor. Congratulations.
So much. My 4th medal. My first marathon ever. They also gave out Mickey ears for the marathon finishers. Then I gotta go to the challenge medal tent. So this is where they verify that you did all 4 races.
Look at this guy! Woo! You did awesome!
Thank you. I did it.
What did you do?
4.
4 hours. later.
I took a bath.
Don't worry, we're not going straight from the race. We went home, ate a little snack. Peter took a bath, iced himself.
And I'm getting a congratulatory turkey leg because I've only had one in my entire life. So I thought, why not reverse 48.6 miles of work and get a turkey leg?
So that's our plan.
Then we're gonna pick up dinner and go home and rest.
So we are at the Tortuga Tavern. Show it to me.
Good. This is only my second turkey leg ever. I don't even remember if I actually like this or not.
$12.
$12.
How's it feel? Good?
It tastes good, but I can also taste how unhealthy it is. But I'm gonna shelf that thought right now. I'm almost disgusted at myself and how well we did at eating that turkey leg. We ate about 80% of it and then threw the rest away. I will not get another one of those for probably another decade because it's been basically a decade since I got one of those.
The battery died on our other camera. Noobs. No, we just like came bare bones. Yeah.
I didn't even want to bring this. I was just going to do it all on the cell phone, but you got to see this photo Sarah took on this. Is like an actual photo picture.
An actual photo picture.
But we're going to go do...
People mover?
Yes, we're going to go see how what the wait is for People Mover. Go on that and then leave.
Get some grub. All the cars are parked at Tomorrowland Speedway and Construction. Holy ravioli. Thankfully, it will remain.
It will remain.
Facelift.
It's a little freshen up.
This is like the most we've been able to see this construction over here. One last little treat before we go. We got a chocolate and butter pecan cone. Okay,
right.
Now this is the last time we'll see Magic Kingdom with no.
Well, we don't know for certain that they're going to take it all down tonight.
I have a feeling.
Like maybe the tree will come down tonight, but maybe not all the street decorations and stuff. I mean, I know they're capable of doing it all one night. I just don't know if they will choose to.
The ultimate sauce bar. Fresh salsa, onions, cilantro garlic, spicy pollo pollo, curry mustard, jalapenos. We're in Pollo Tropical. If you've ever been here before, it's really great.
We're going to bed. It's almost 10. And I'm in pain. So I said earlier how my ankle hurt during the run. Then it was fine, but like still hurting, and I took it easier in the rest of the run. And then we went home and rested, and it hurt, but then we went to Magic Kingdom, and it felt like good to be like on it, slightly like loosening it up. But then I was walking in our kitchen, and I didn't like step weird. It's just like when I stepped on it at one point, and it just like I had a shooting pain.
Well, keep an eye on it. You did just do a big run. So
Yeah.
we're gonna sleep, rest, elevate, all the good stuff.
Yeah. Thank you everybody for all your support this weekend. It was an unforgettable weekend, and it was amazing, and I can't wait to watch the videos because I haven't seen a single one. I'm going to wait till this one is up and we'll watch them in order. But thank you for all the support through everything. You guys are amazing. I love each and every one of you.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.